What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving my first impressions of these two Replay Signature scents. We've got Replay Signature for her and Replay Signature for men. Try and guess which one's the men's one and which one's the women's one. You've got pretty flowers on one and dragons on the other, so that should give you a pretty clear indication of which one is for who. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into the video.
Die Verbrennung der
Beautiful mates, before I get into the first impressions here, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I haven't done a women's fragrance giveaway on the channel yet. I've done a couple of men's ones, but no women's ones. So, if you want to enter the draw for Replay Signature for women, the EDP, I'm also going to be throwing in a bonus, brand new Replay Signature Red Dragon aftershave balm for your bloke. If you want to enter this giveaway, here's the criteria. You've got to be subscribed to the channel, you've got to be following the Aussie Marcel Instagram, and just drop a comment below saying you want to enter the giveaway. The other criteria is that you've got to be in Australia. Eventually, I'm going to love doing a international giveaway. For the time being, I'm just going to stick to doing Australia giveaways. So, if you want to enter for your wife, if you want to enter for yourself, doesn't matter. Just drop a comment below saying you want to enter the giveaway. I'm going to be doing a reminder for every video I upload onto the channel this week. And I reckon next Friday I'm going to be doing the draw. I just want to give people a good chance to enter. So yeah, if you would like to enter the giveaway, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to see your entries, guys. Before I talk about the fragrances, my fragrance of the day is Dark Rebel by John Varvatos. The bottle's out there. I thought I had it in here, but I don't think I do. That smells dark, leathery, tobacco, spicy, some amber in here as well. It's a very powerful fragrance. Look, people say that the performance isn't there, but I find that not to be the case. It does perform pretty well under certain circumstances. So if you use like 4 to 5 sprays, you'll get over 8 hours of it, which, you know, I don't love wearing more than 2 sprays of anything, but if it's going to give it like a significant boost in the performance, obviously wear as many sprays as required to get good performance out of a scent. So yeah, rumors are that it has been discontinued though. I hope that isn't the case because it's an iconic fragrance. Johnny V, if you're out there watching this video, don't discontinue it. It's like your best fragrance. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's start with Replay Signature Red Dragon. This is a gift set. You've got 30 ml of the fragrance and an aftershave balm. I'll just show you the packaging. It's got a nice look. It's like a little cheesy. And here it is without the cardboard box. I've actually never smelt a Replay fragrance before, so I will test it out on a tester strip. Here's the bottle. Sort of reminds me of like a Guess fragrance with that texturing there. It's not bad. I've got literally zero expectations for this. Like, could be good, could be bad, who knows. Atomizer is solid. It's like more of a nice potent cloud. I definitely get some citrus here. Some aromatic notes as well. It's like... what does that smell like? It sort of reminds me of one of the Curve fragrances. I'll tell you what it's got a lot of. It's got this like spicy vetiver quality and it's got a pepperiness as well. It reminds me of Narciso Rodriguez for him, Bleu Noir. Just like a slightly less potent version of that. And for that reason, it is quite attractive. It also reminds me of Thierry de Hermes. Yeah, it's definitely the vetiver in this that's going to be the main attraction. You've got some pink pepper, I reckon. Citrus notes, aromatics. It's a pretty attractive fragrance, I'm not going to lie. I paid $5 for this on clearance, so... Look, if I was paying $100 for this, I would be much more hesitant to recommend it. But if you can find a bottle of this for like 25 bucks on clearance or on sale, I would absolutely recommend checking it out, because it's basically a clone of a very attractive fragrance. Check it out. I mean, first impressions are very solid. It's a clone of a fantastic fragrance. And now let's look at Replay Signature for her. An eau de parfum for women. And here is the bottle. Same sort of texturing on the side. It's got a nice look to it. It's got a kind of a cheap look to it, but it also doesn't look bad. You know, it's like it flirts between the two. Let's have a go. Same sort of atomizer. It's like an intense cloud. Candy sweet floral. That's what I get with this. A lot of floral notes here. I get like a sort of like a geranium feel. Get a touch of rose as well. I get some citrus up the top. Gives it that lift. I get some musks here as well. And like a candy fruity sweetness to it. Replay Signature EDP for her. Or for women, whatever you prefer. It's also got like a woody characteristic. Like a touch of earthiness to this one as well. It's got a little bit of Elizabeth Arden sunflowers to it. It's got that sort of yellow floral feel, fruity up top with the sweetness, and then it's a little earthy at the bottom, and then you've got some like clean musks in here as well. It is an attractive fragrance. However, I think it's going to appeal for women more so over the age of 35. It's more of that style of scent. Like both of these fragrances, you've got Replay Signature Red Dragon for him and Replay Signature for her. They're both more mature scents, although Replay Signature for Red Dragon for him, on the tester strip, it does have like a cardboardish quality to it, like a papery cardboardish note to it that gives it like that cheap feeling that you definitely don't get with Narciso Rodriguez for him Bleu Noir. And this one, the women's one, it's got a touch of the old lady kind of vibe, you know, which is great for old ladies and for anyone that wants to smell like an older woman. But I reckon the market for this one in particular is a little limited. However, if you like patchouli, if you like kind of, I would say a little more, if this fragrance is a little more daring in today's market, it isn't just like an Ariana Grande scent with like a mass amount of sweetness and like, it's not overly juvenile. Anyways, if you've ever worn either of these fragrances, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.